Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, let us know how to invite our students, colleagues or friends to a Zoom meeting. Let's start. First of all, you need to have Zoom app in your phone. So just install it from Play Store. Now let's start it. Open Zoom, and if you are a new user, then you need to sign up. Click on sign up, and you must be a major to sign up with Zoom. So set a date of birth which is above 18 years old. I'm a major, so this is my. Okay, next. And you need to type in your mail and first name, second name, and just click on sign up. Zoom has sent you a verification email. Just go and check your mail for it. Open mail, and you can see here there is a Zoom message from Zoom. Click on it and just click on activate account. Just click on no and continue. Type in your password. Your password must satisfy all these conditions here. Click on continue. Skip this step and go to my account. And that's all, your account is created. Zoom account is created. Go to home page, open Zoom and click on sign in. And type in the mail which you have recently created and type your password. Click on sign in. Okay, just cancel it. And how to send a schedule to your students. Suppose you want to start class at 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. and you want to end it at 4:30. So let us know how to send an invitation to our students. Click on schedule here, and you can name your meeting like, okay, it will automatically Prashant RSKVP Zoom meeting. So let us make it mathematics class. And the date is tomorrow. Let us make it tomorrow. What is the date today? 11th August 2020. And tomorrow at 8 a.m. And let's send it at 9 o'clock. And repeat never. And click on participate video on if you want to know, if you want to see your students video. And also enable waiting room here, this one. If you want, you can also automatically record meetings, and you can select all these options as per your need and click on done. Yeah, hello. And you can send invites like this, example Gmail. You can send to your friends or someone. If you don't want with it with Gmail, you can also choose another way. Invite and copy to clipboard. And suppose you want to send invitation through WhatsApp, open WhatsApp and just paste it and send. That's all. And you can see is here Prashant RSKVP is inviting you to a Zoom meeting, topic mathematics class. Means you can select your topic there. And time August 11th 2020 at 8 a.m. and you can select location as per your. And if you're suppose you send this to your student and tell him to just click on this, and it will automatically open the Zoom meeting. That's all. Your meeting is connected now and you can enjoy. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.